Hello friends, welcome to With Me. Today, meet me again. Uh, so today I want to be a presentation about my humor, about the materia anatomy physiology. So the focus on the male reproductive system. So here, uh, so with me, Moises Guzman. My name 21020806 So Faculty of Health Science Study Program sa Nursing Program study at the University Dr. Bangsa Surakarta Solo. The material about the anatomy physiology, basic biomedical science from the lecture Patoto Wayudi. Okay, we directly starting the presentation about the male reproductive system. Okay, this is a image or photo about the male reproductive system. The next, the male reproductive system definition. The male reproductive system is mostly located outside of the body. These external organs include the penis, scrotum, and testicles. Internal organs include the vas deferens, prostate, and the urethra. The male reproductive system is the responsible for the sexual function as well as urination. So here, the male reproductive system is divided to organs, external and internal. So in the external, we look here, the penis includes the penis, scrotum, and testicle. So in the internal organs, include the vas deferens, prostate, and the urethra. The male reproductive system is include a group of the organs that make up a man's reproductive and urinary system. These organs do the following job within your body. Likes first is the products maintain the end transport spread or the male reproductive system, reproductive cells, and the semen or the protective fluid around the sperm. And the second is they desires sperm into the female reproductive rate. And the third is they produce and they secrete male sex hormones. Okay, this is imaging or photo about the male reproductive system here in internal organs and in external organs like vas deferens, bladder, colon, seminal vesicles, prostate, testicle, epididymis, urethra, and penis. So the image above show the male reproductive system. The following are the names of the function of each organs. The one or the first is a penis. The penis functions as a urinary tractor or urine as well as a place for sperm to come out. And two or second, the scrotum plays a role in the maintaining the temperature of the states to be suitable for producing sperm. Three or third is a testis. The testes are the inner genitals. Its function is to produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. And the next is a next of the next about the epididymis. Epididymis is a tube that comes out of the testis. Its function is as a temporary storage on the sperm. Okay, right now we enter the external reproductive organs. So here the external reproductive organs, we look in the image and the names of the reproductive system in the external. So we look here. So here in the external or internal have also. So we look in the Bahasa Indonesia and also in English. So the phrase is Katun Jakar. So we look here. The Katun Jakar, so it is a language of the Bahasa Indonesia or Bahasa Indonesia language. So in English is Escrutum. So the second is a Bajaka or testis, and in English testis. And the third is saluran sperma, and in English the vas deferens. And the fourth, the prostate. And the five, a saluran kemi or urethra. Six, a batang kemaluan or penis, in English penis. Seventh, kepala penis or glans. So, in the external reproductive organs, most of the male reproductive systems is located outside of your abdominal cavity or pelvis. The external parts of the male reproductive system include the penis, the scrotum, and the testicles. Okay, so we started in the penis with the penis. The penis is the male organ for the sexual intercourse. It has three parts. They are the root. The first is the root. Second, the body of our self, and the third is the gland. The glands. Okay, the next, the scrotum. The scrotum is the loose outlined sac of skin that hangs behind the penis, and the testicles or testes is the testes are oval organs about the size of the very layers or legs that lie in the scrotum, secured either and by an structure called the spermatic cord. Okay, uh, right now we entered to the internal reproductive organs. So in the means, I take the means or photo is very simple. Put here in the internal reproductive organs to you look or to you see here. So in the image or photo, the here have a vast difference and epidemis. So the next internal reproductive organs. You have several internal organs, also called the accessory organs, that play a big part in the male reproductive system. These organs include the vas deferens, epididymis, ejaculatory ducts, urethra, seminal vesicles, prostate glands, bulbourethral glands. Epididymis. The epididymis is a long, coiled tube that rests on the backside of its testicles. It carries and stirs sperm cells that are created in the testes. Okay, the next is the vas deferens. The vas deferens is a long, muscular tube that travels from the epididymis into the pelvic cavity to just behind the bladder. Next, the ejaculatory or ejaculatory ducts. Ejaculatory ducts, these ducts are formed by the function, the diffusion of the vas deferens and the seminal vesicles. The ejaculatory ducts empty into the urethra. And the next, the ureter. The ureter is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside of your body. Okay, the next is seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are a civilized pouch that attach to the vas deferens near the base of the bladder. The next is a prostate gland. The prostate gland is a valve-sized extruder that's located below the urinary bladder in front of the rectum. And the last is the bulbourethral glands. The bulbourethral glands or Cowper's glands are kid-sized extruders located on the side of the urethra just below the prostate glands. Okay, right now we've entered to the spermatogenesis or definition or the process of the spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis in the slide, I put this very simple, the photo is very simple, I put here. So it is the image about the process spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis is the process of the sperm formation that occurs in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. This process starts from the differential process of primordial germ cell into the spermatozonia. Having two diploid chromosomes, the spermatozonia will undergo mitosis many times to from primary spermatocytes. So the next, we enter about uh, hormone in the man. We talk about the hormone in the man. The hormone in the man divide five parts. And the first is a testosterone. The testosterone is secreted by leading cells located between the seminiferous tubes. And the second is LH, luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone, secreted by the anterior pituitary glands, stimulate leading cell to secrete testosterone. And the third is a FSH, or folate stimulating hormone, serving to stimulate the cell settling. The next are four about the estrogen growth hormone. The estrogen hormone, the growth hormone, regulate the metabolic function of the testes. The five, growth hormone, regulates the metabolic function of the testes. Karina, we entered about the disorders in the male reproductive system. The disorders in the male reproductive system divided have four parts. The first is the hypogonadism, clitoridium, urethritis, prostatitis. Hypogonadism is a decrease in the testicular function caused by interference with hormone interaction such as androgens and testosterone. Clitoridium is the failure of the one or both testes to descend from the abdominal cavity into the scrotum in the infancy. And the next, urethritis. The urethritis is an inflammation of the urethra with the symptoms of the itching of the penis and frequent urination. And the last is a prostatitis. The prostatitis is an inflammation of the prostate due to the presence of the bacteria or such as Escherichia coli. Okay, my presentation today about the materia anatomy physiology, especially focused on the or explain about the male reproductive system until here. So thank you very much for attention, for watching this video, and Bahasa Español say that muchas gracias por toda su atención, and English say that thank you very much, and Bahasa Indonesia say that terima kasih, and don't forget subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you very much, and ciao ciao.